Okay, so I got this computer not too long ago for my birthday this past September. And this is my newest computer upgrade from the other one. The other one I still have. It's just at work. That one's 20 years old. This one is fairly new. And when I first got it, I kind of showed us putting it together and all that stuff. You can see the fans are starting to get dirty. You can see all the dirt starting to accumulate because these fans spin on this computer 24 hours a day. You can see the other two fans right there. One right there on the side vents, the other one on the bottom. You can see that one in the back. You can see the processor fan. The power supply fan is facing down. It only spins when the power supply gets hot. You can see Gaming Plus right there, the logo. Some of the bulbs are burnt out by default because it was defected. Unfortunately, nothing I did. But other than that, everything has been going good since I've had this. And there are some more improvements and upgrades that I'm going to be getting real soon. I'm going to upgrade from the 6-core processor to the 8-core processor. Unfortunately, at the time, I didn't have enough money to get that. 64 gigabytes of DDR4 3466 memory. So far, I only have DDR4, 16 gigabytes of DDR4 2400. That's all I can afford at the time. Also, the aftermarket CPU cooler by MSI. It has to be their cooler. I did have one previous to it, but it wasn't that cooler, which is one of the reasons why it did not fit. They make their own coolers for their own motherboards, unfortunately. And I also have the 4K monitor coming real soon. Unfortunately, this is not a 4K monitor. That will be coming soon. I also have the speaker upgrade. That will also be coming soon. I don't have that. That'll be coming soon. And let's just run down a list of things I do have coming up in the future for this. So let's go over here and see as fast. But when I get the stuff I'm supposed to get, so it can be exactly what I wanted it to be, it'll be just that much more faster. Let's get over here to the cart. Click on the cart. Alright, so right here, that's the cable. Not sure if y'all can see it. That's the cable right there, which is a splitter for the processor fan. That's the other fan I'm going to put on there. It comes with this fan right here. It comes with that fan right there by default. And then that fan is just going to go on the other side. And right here, that's the cable right there for the splitter. Then you have the hard drive here, which is a 4 terabyte hard drive, which is more than enough for me for what I'm using it for. They do have an 8 terabyte. They also have a 10 terabyte and a 12 terabyte, but that's a little expensive. So for the price, for about $80, yeah, that's all I need. The last one I had that broke on me was a 3 terabyte. And of course, the memory here, if I can get this thing to scroll, there it is right there, 32 gigabytes of 3466. Not sure if you can see that. 3466 DDR4. And then they give you the model number is 21654. That's how much it is. But anyways, I'm getting 2 sets, so it'll be a total of 64 gigabytes of that speed, which is the maximum gigabytes that motherboard I have MSI can handle. And that's also the maximum speed that it can handle. And then I have, oops, my bad. Let's see. I'm trying to lay it out here. There you go. Here's the speaker upgrade right here. Logitech Z625. That's the name of it. 2.1 sound, or is it THX sound 2.1 speaker system. Blah, 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 all that good stuff. And it puts out like 400 watts, although I would never push it up that high. That's crazy to do that. But the bass sounds good. And then, of course, that's just the video cable for the 4K monitor right here. Acer. Acer is a good brand. And then here's the processor right here. The AMD Ryzen 7 2700X processor with the RAV Prism LED cooler. Yeah, Prism LED cooler. So it actually has an LED cooler, but I'm not going to use that cooler. I'm actually going to use the aftermarket cooler. So that's all the parts I do have coming up for the computer upgrade over here, which is not done. What I have in here now is just so I can use it. But it's not exactly what I wanted in here at first. But that's why I'm saving up for it. And then I'll have what I wanted for it at a later time. But so far, so good. It's been doing really good. And that's the latest update on my computer upgrade and what I'm saving up for. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. God bless every last one of you. And gone.